Hello guys, welcome back to another 3D modeling tutorial using FreeCAD 1.0. In today's video, I will cover some of the commonly used tools in 3D modeling process so you can pretty much design most of the standard parts. I will cover creating plates and square tubes, adding gussets, placing holes, and also chamfers and fillets, fast and easy. Okay, let's get started. Let me pick parametric part template and I am on part design workbench. Click on create sketch command and pick XY plane. Zoom out a bit using scroll on your mouse. Pick centered rectangle from this drop down. Check this option and start at the origin. Just let you know, whenever you design anything in 3D, always start at the origin. It allows for precise positioning of the object in 3D space and is easier for constraining. And also, it will save some extra steps if you have to modify the model in the future. Type 200 for the width and press enter. Type 100 for the height and press enter. Type -15 for the offset distance. I'm going to use the inner rectangle to locate the holes. So I will convert those lines to construction lines. Window, select the inner rectangle. And click on this command. Construction lines don't participate in the final design. They are used for assisting the sketching process. Pick this circle command. Click on this point and type 6 for diameter. Create 3 more circles and don't worry about the dimensions. We will constrain them later. Right click to exit. Control select all the 4 circles. And click on this tool to add equal constraint. This makes all the circles as same diameter. We need to add more constraints to the sketch to make it fully constrained. Click and drag any object in the sketch to check if they are not constrained. Then add more constraints until fully constrained. Click on coincident constraint. Pick the center point and then this point. Right click to exit. The diameter I have entered did not apply for some reason. I will add the dimension again. Click on dimension command. Enter 6 mm. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Click to close the window. Let's give the thickness by adding pad. Click on pad command. Click on reverse to make the extrusion downwards. And type 8 for the extrusion length and press enter. Now I'm going to add square tubings on top of this plate. Pick this face and click on create sketch command. Click on centered rectangle tool and check both of these options. Click somewhere here to draw the rectangle. Type 25 mm for both width and the length. 3 mm for corner radius. And -2 for offset distance. Click on dimension command and add this dimension. Type 60 mm. Right click to exit. Window, select the sketch and click on Symmetry command and click on Y-axis. Now we have the second profile for the tubing. Click and drag the dimensions outside so we can see the center points clearly. Click on center points of both rectangles and the origin point to add symmetric constraint about Y-axis. Click this tool. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Close the window. I will extrude this profile using the pad command. Type 100 for the extrusion length and press enter. Zoom in here, click on this face and click on Create Sketch command. Click the rectangle tool again and draw it at the origin. Type 200 and press enter and type 40, press enter. Right click to exit. Click on Circle command and draw the circle somewhere here. Draw another circle somewhere here. Click on Dimension command and add following dimensions. Control select both circles and add equal constraints to make both circles as same diameter. Select these 2 points and the center point and add symmetric constraint. Now the sketch is fully constrained. I will add pad command to give thickness. Type 4 and press enter. Now I am going to add gusset plates. Click on Create Sketch command and pick XZ plane. Click on this tool to copy reference lines from existing solid. Pick these edges so we can use them as reference for this new sketch. Click on Create Polygon command and sketch like this. Make sure the cursor looks like this. Draw another triangle at this corner. Click on Dimension command and make this 40 mm long. Right click to exit and control select these lines and add equal constraint. Make sure the sketch is fully constrained. Close the window. Click on pad command and check this symmetric to plane option so it will be at the center. Type 4 mm for the thickness and press enter. Check the model. Click on Create Sketch command and pick XZ plane. Click on this tool again to copy external reference lines and pick this edge. Click on Circle command and click along Z axis somewhere here. And click on this edge to create the circle. Create another circle at the same center point. Let's add dimensions. Click on both circles and type 5 mm for the thickness. Click on outside circle and make it 150. Click on this tool to draw construction lines and click on line command. Draw a line similar to this. Switch this back to normal lines. Pick the line command again and draw the lines like this. Now I will add constraints to align these lines. Click on this tool to add parallel constraint and pick these two lines. Do the same for these two lines. Now I will add some dimensions. Click on dimension command and add the following dimensions. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Click on Trim Edge tool and click on the circles. Close the window. Now I will add thickness using the pad command, but it may fail because the curve is only touching the existing solid at this point. Let's try. Okay, I will cancel this and apply extrude command from the part workbench. Select the sketch, change the workbench to part, pick extrude command. Type 30 for the length. Check the symmetric option. Make sure this create solid is on. Click OK. Check the model. Let's reduce the thickness of this plate. Double-click on the sketch. And change this to 4. Close the window. Now it looks better. I'm going to add chamfer to the bottom plate. I will change the display style to wireframe so it is easier to pick the edges. Pick these corners. Switch the workbench back to part design and click on chamfer command. Type 10 and press enter. Now I am going to add radius to the top plate. Pick the corner edges. And click on fillet command. Type 8 and press enter. Select these top circles. And click on Horse command. Make these changes. Click OK. Switch back to shaded style. Check the model. The model is now completed. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. I upload new videos every week. See you soon.